everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamie. I hope you guys are doing super duper great. कैसे हो सब लोग? Guys, before we start with today's video, I just want to take like one moment of your time and thank each one of you for subscribing to our channel, for commenting on our videos. We have just crossed 100,000 subscribers and the silver button is just home, and I can't wait to show you guys. I'm actually shooting another video for that, but thank you so much guys. It's been an amazing journey and I can't wait to share the entire thing with all of you guys, which I'm gonna do soon. But for now, thank you so much. Thank you. Now coming to today's video, today we're going to talk about another interesting itinerary for Maldives. Okay guys, so I know that Maldives is like the dream destination for all you newlyweds, honeymooners, couples, everyone. And क्यों ना हो, it's such a beautiful place. जब भी आप मालदीव्स के बारे में सोचो तो सबसे पहले आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? I'm sure it's gonna be the turquoise blue water for sure. And other than that, I think it's gonna be the water villas, right? Water villas are like the biggest attraction in Maldives. तो ये जो water villas है, they are a part of private resorts in private islands. अगर आप public island में जाओगे, like Mafushi, which is like the budget island in Maldives, आपको वहाँ पे water villas नहीं दिखेंगे. Mafushi में आपको बहुत सारे hotels and cheap stays मिलेंगे, but you will not find water villas in Mafushi. मगर अगर आपने अब तक देखा होगा तो ये जो water villa है, they are a bit expensive. You know, whenever I've searched, I've never seen a water villa below 40,000 rupees for one night. So whenever I've seen, be it off season, on season, I've seen all these water villas which are priced at 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 and even in lakhs. So all these private resorts have these water villas and all of them are quite expensive. So guys, in case you're opting for a budget trip and you're staying in Mafushi, और अगर आपको water villa में नहीं रहना है, but still you want to experience the whole feel of a private island and how the islands are जहाँ पे water villas है, आप ये एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो एक दिन के लिए. हाउ यू कैन डू दैट? देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ प्राइवेट आइलैंड्स दैट ऑफर डे आउटिंग ट्रिप्स. तो अगर आप माफुशी में रुकने वाले हो तो माफुशी से आपको ये वाले प्राइवेट रिजॉर्ट्स में लेके जाएंगे. यू कैन स्पेंड एन एंटायर डे देयर एंड देन यू कैन कम बैक टू माफुशी एट नाइट. सो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स. तो आप जो भी होटल में रुकने वाले हो, यू कैन जस्ट आस्क योर होटल अथॉरिटीज एंड दे अ लॉट ऑफ होटल अथॉरिटीज दे हैव दीज टाई अप्स विद दीज प्राइवेट रिजॉर्ट्स. एंड प्राइवेट रिजॉर्ट्स के अपने अपने प्राइसेस होते हैं, अपने अपने पैकेजेस होते हैं. सो वी वेंट टू दिस आइलैंड कॉल्ड एज फिहालोही आइलैंड एंड आई थिंक वी पेड अराउंड $90 to $100 पर पर्सन. तो हमने पूरा दिन फिहालोही आइलैंड में बिताया था. So morning we had breakfast in our hotel in Mafushi and then we were picked up by a ferry and then we headed towards Fihaalohi Island. तो Mafushi से I think Fihaalohi Island का जो whole ferry time था, it just took about 20 minutes and then we were there. तो सबसे पहले तो हमें वहाँ पे जो सीटिंग एरिया था वहाँ पे लेके गए थे. For the day trip we were around 15 to 20 people who were sent from Mafushi, जिन्होंने Mafushi में stay करके Fihaalohi Island के day trip के लिए book किया था. We were 15 to 20 people. So we reached the island and the first 15 minutes it was just spent by the hotel authorities in Fihaalohi Island, just explaining to us what this package is all about. And then we just refreshed ourselves with some welcome drinks and then we headed towards the beach. Fihaalohi Island, I have to tell you, वहाँ पे water villas भी थे and island villas भी थे and that was one of the most beautiful islands that I saw in Maldives. मुझे Fihaalohi Island इतना सुंदर लगा. It was like your dream island, जैसे आप बचपन में stories में पढ़ते हो, जैसा island होना चाहिए. One major thing that I loved about this island is that there were big canopy of trees and these island trees all around. I was just picking up shells, beautiful seashells the whole time. So that way I felt closer to nature in Fihaalohi Island. We had an amazing lunch. It was an unlimited buffet and there was also high tea arranged for us before we left back to Mafushi from Fihaalohi. Overall Fihaalohi वाला experience बहुत ही अच्छा था. हम लोग उस दिन snorkeling तो नहीं गए थे, but मैंने जितना देखा है Fihaalohi वाला जो entire area है, it's really good in marine life. So in case you want to snorkel, you can also go snorkeling, if you're on a day trip also. But we did not go to snorkel because हम बस उसकी एक दिन पहले माफुशी से हमने पूरा one day out किया था just for snorkeling and water activities. So just the next day we were kind of tired and we just wanted to sit back and relax. And that day was our last day also in Maldives. So we just wanted to relax. So we didn't go snorkeling. But अगर आप जाना चाहते हो तो आप जा सकते हो. So this way we spent our entire day in Fihaalohi Island. सो ये डे ट्रिप के पैकेज में क्या क्या इंक्लूडेड होता है, लेट्स सी. So we paid $90 per person for Fihaalohi Island, and for us what all was included was that to and fro ferry cost were included. तो आने जाने का जो ferry cost है that was included, lunch was included, there were unlimited drinks that were included, high tea was included, so entire day का खाना पीना was included. Also, you know, for the resorts which had pool access भी included था. Fihaalohi Island does not have a swimming pool, so that was not included. Also, amenities like snorkeling were included, and majorly we had access to the entire private properties. Guys, मैं आपको एक और चीज़ बताना चाहती हूँ, you know, just take it as one of the tips when you're booking your stay in Maldives. You know, in case you're not very keen on booking a water villa, you can also book island villas in a private resort. तो private resort में अगर आप देखोगे, a water villa might cost like 50,000, 60,000 rupees, but at the same time उसी private resort में अगर आप island villa देखोगे, you know, जो कि बीच पे है, जो कि पानी के अंदर नहीं है बट बीच पे है, you might get them for 25,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, sometimes 15,000 rupees. So, you know, एक दिन water villa में रुकने के पैसे से आप 2 या 3 दिन उसी प्राइवेट रिजॉर्ट में बीच विला में रुक सकते हो और वही सारे एमिनिटीज़ आप एंजॉय कर सकते हो. एंड यू नो ऑनेस्टली इफ आई हैव टू टेल यू, वाटर विला का द एंटायर फील वाज अमेजिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. आई पर्सनली वांटेड टू एक्सपीरियंस वाटर विला, तो यू नो आई वाज लाइक कि चलो एक दिन तो वाटर विला में रुकना ही है. In case if you want to see our water villa stay which was Sentararas Kushi, do go check out the entire vlog here. I have all the details there. But I just want to tell you one thing in this video that you know water villa में क्या होता है ना, आपको एकदम पानी के अंदर होता है आपका stay. So just from the water villa, it was not very convenient also, you know, to go swimming because you have corals all across. So that again one thing guys, when you you know, when you basically get deeper into the sea, don't go barefoot. Okay, in case if you're snorkeling, obviously you will have those fins which will keep you safe. But अगर आप swim नहीं कर रहे हो तो एकदम barefoot पानी के अंदर ज़्यादा मत चलना, because you know you might basically get cut by corals or something like that. And I've heard cases जहाँ पे जो coral cuts है they get infected also. So be careful of that. What else I wanted to tell you? Yeah, I wanted to tell you one more thing. You know, in this video we kept on talking about private island, public island, private island, public island. You know, when I was actually searching for you know, Maldives videos and all that before my trip, I quite did not understand what is this private island, what is this public island, things like that. So in case if you are also new to these terms, I'll tell you what it is. So basically Maldives में ना 2 टाइप के आइलैंड होते हैं. एक होता है प्राइवेट आइलैंड, एक होता है पब्लिक आइलैंड. प्राइवेट आइलैंड वो होता है जहाँ पे यू नो पूरा आइलैंड जो है इट बेसिकली बिलोंग्स टू वन यू नो द रिजॉर्ट ओनर और समथिंग. वहाँ पे वहाँ के जो कॉमन लोग हैं वो नहीं रहते हैं. द एंटायर आइलैंड बिलोंग्स टू दैट रिजॉर्ट. एंड कमिंग टू पब्लिक आइलैंड, व्हाट इज अ पब्लिक आइलैंड? पब्लिक आइलैंड जैसे कि माफुशी, गुल्ही, माले इन मालदीव्स, वहाँ पे ना वहाँ की लोकल कम्युनिटी भी रहती है, जैसे उनका स्कूल, कॉलेज, एवरीथिंग, यू नो, इट्स देयर प्लेस एंड ऑल्सो इट्स ओपन टू टूरिस्ट. तो वहाँ पे होटल्स वगैरह भी है. सो दैट्स वाई आई सेड कि ये जो वाटर विलास है आपको प्राइवेट आइलैंड एंड प्राइवेट रिजॉर्ट्स में ही मिलेंगे, पब्लिक आइलैंड में आपको वाटर विलास नहीं मिलेंगे. एंड दैट माइट बी वन ऑफ द रीजन कि दीज प्राइवेट आइलैंड्स आर वे मोर एक्सपेंसिव देन पब्लिक आइलैंड्स. गाइज, आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड 2 वीडियोज ऑन आवर मालदीव्स ट्रिप. तो हम यू नो टोटली 5 डेज के लिए गए थे मालदीव्स. हमने एक 1 नाइट स्टे करा था सेंटारारास कुशी. आई एम गोना पुट द लिंक्स इन डिस्क्रिप्शन in case you want to see the entire cost breakup and everything of that. Please do go check it out. And in case you want to see what all we did in Mafushi, because after Sentararas Kushi we straight away headed to Mafushi and we stayed in Mafushi for 3 days. And on the 3rd day is when we went to this island called as Fihaalohi Island. So please do let me know how did you like this video, and please do check out all the other videos also. Any questions, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be there to answer it for you. Bye bye guys, take care, lots of love, bye bye.